G'day everybody, where's Wally here? Well, Adam, dear boy, is proving the adage that I'm starting to see everywhere. You gotta lie to be flat. And Adam is doing just that. He's full on telling porky pies today, all about the globe maths, which he either doesn't understand, has no idea how to do, but because I've told him a couple of times and Wolfie has told him, he really does know exactly what he's doing wrong, and he's purposefully cheating to get a big number and scare all his little flirting subscribers. So scary, Adam. Here, let's have a listen.
Today we're jumping on board Concorde and we're going to serve up the globe first class style. Rah!
So what was that noise, Adam? Did you laugh and then try to cover it? This is what you usually sound like, Adam. That's more like.
First up, let's just check out the cruise speed for Concorde because we want that as a reference. Cruise speed, here we go. Cruise speed at the top, 1,341 miles an hour. But first, just some globe maths.
So you're going to do some globe maths, Adam. Gee, I hope you do it right this time.
Obviously, we've got the Concorde cruise speed, top left, and this is based on 1 hour's flight at cruise speed. We got the 2 points of reference, A and B, A being the start of the journey, B being the end of the hour, okay? 60 minutes later.
Adam, why are you treating your subs like idiots? Okay, never mind, I just heard myself.
And according to the globe maths, there's 219 miles of drop, stroke curve, between those 2 points of reference.
Okay, first of all, Adam, it's 225 miles, not 219. How did you get 219? Did you have your plane flying along the ground? I bet you did. You didn't even bother to put in an altitude, did you? You lazy little boy, you. Wow, wrong straight out the gate, mate. This is not looking good, is it?
I've got very basic understanding, so you might have to bear with me.
So this is what Adam usually does. He usually does some globe maths for an hour, and then he divides that by 3,600 and comes up with a drop per second. Now, that's exactly the wrong way to do it, Adam, and you know that. You've been told this many times. Now, if you want to know what the drop per second is, Adam, do that calculation directly. So if you go to Walter Bisland's Earth Curve calculator and put in 55,000 feet, and then you divide the speed, 1,341 miles per hour, by 3,600, and you'll get 0.373 miles per second. So you put that in, and now you find that the drop is 0.093 of a feet, 1.1 inch. Every second the plane drops by that much, and it will follow the Earth's curve at that speed and that altitude. It's all too easy, Adam.
I've got very basic understanding, so you might have to bear with me.
So Adam, your error today, you're only out by a factor of 3,462. Well, I would be tempted to make that as a percentage, but it's already such a huge number. Why do I need to bother?
I don't entirely know exactly what's going on.
Now, Adam is doing this purposely. He knows that this is the wrong way to do it, yet he persists because it comes up with a big number and it makes him feel like he's saving his globe. And it makes it feel like he's destroying the globe, but he's really just destroying his own credibility. Sorry about that, Adam.
There's a picture taken by myself from inside Concorde showing the walkway inside the hangar at Filton, Bristol, displaying curvature. Strange. Really strange when we compare it to the horizon at 55,000 feet. And surprise, surprise, the walkway inside the hangar at Filton, Bristol, showing the same amount of supposed curvature from the footage we've just viewed that showed supposed curvature at 55,000 feet. This is what happens when we blend the footage together, the images together. Walkway inside the hangar has exactly the same amount of supposed curvature that Concorde viewed at 55,000 feet. Oops, that can only mean one thing. The effect of curvature is an effect of the window.
As for your last cool story looking out the window, Adam, you forgot one thing. To be scientific, you're going to have to show that you're using the same camera or at least the same focal length lens. Otherwise, this is totally meaningless. Good try, Adam, but what a load of rubbish. So, Adam, why don't you do some actual demonstrable science, like we are doing? Now, we're watching on the ISS where they roll out the OROSA solar arrays, and now people are pointing their telescopes, purely optical devices, at the ISS, and they can now see the OROSA arrays rolled out upon the old solar panels. That, my dear boy, is demonstrable science, and you have absolutely no answer for it, and that's why you will not touch it at all. And this is also why you won't debate, because what you've just proven here today is you will get totally destroyed in any debate. You should still do it. £2,500 for charity is really worth a bit of humiliation, don't you think, Adam?